So today's video was requested by one of us here, Happiness Godwin. She asked that I review this Peau Jaune Lightening body lotion. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about everything you need to know about this body lotion, whether it is good for you or whether it is bad for your skin, whether you should buy it or whether you should not buy it. I am also going to give you a pro mixing recipe that is going to, work for your skin if indeed you really want to use this particular brand. I'm also going to be giving you another way you can use this product on your skin to avoid side effects. Okay, this particular brand is a very potent brand. Peau Jaune is a very potent product. All their brands are very potent, and if you don't use it the right way, you might end up damaging your skin. But there is a way you are going to use it and it is going to work for you, and that's everything we are going to be talking about in today's video. So do me a favor, hit the like button. Okay, click the like button, ask your questions in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet. Okay, thank you for clicking today's one, and I assure you will get lots of value from this video. Let's begin. So first of all, let's start from the name of the brand, Peau Jaune. Peau means skin, jaune means yellow. So translating it into English is skin yellow, turn it around, yellow skin. Now this is a product made specifically for lightening your skin. Now this is a brand, or this is a product that when you use it on your skin, it is going to give you that yellow undertone fairness. That is the result, the general result you are going to get when you use this particular body lotion, the Peau Jaune Lightening or Whitening body lotion. That is the result you are going to get. There are some lightening lotions you are going to use, you are going to get a yellow undertone fairness, and there are some you are going to use, you are going to get a white undertone fairness. So but this one is going to give you a yellow tone fairness. Okay, now this particular body lotion, when you use it on your skin, it is not a moisturizing body lotion. This is not a moisturizing body lotion. This is that body lotion that is primarily, secondarily, and generally made just to lighten your skin. It does not moisturize your skin. When you apply it on your skin, it just dries out. Okay, this particular body lotion just penetrates into your skin and gets the job done, and it gets the job done very fast. This is where the issue is, but we are going to get to that. Now this particular brand, Peau Jaune, they have face cream, they have their bar soap, they have double concentrate stage 1 and stage 2, they have their tube, they have their body oil, and they have the body lotion. Obviously the body lotion comes in two. It has the fruit acid and it has the banana extract. So this is a brand that has a wide range of products that you need to use in combination to actually get the exact result you are looking for, and that is where the pro mixing comes in, which I'm going to be giving you a recipe later on in the video. Okay, for the ingredients list, this particular body lotion contains lots and lots and lots of ingredients. A lot of active ingredients are contained in this particular body lotion: aloe vera, ginseng, glutathione, carrot extract, active and extract. It has exfoliators in it, so it is a very potent body lotion. Now this is not a body lotion you are just going to randomly go and buy and start applying on your skin. If you do that, you are going to be damaging your skin, especially if you are someone that is not very aware of skincare ingredients, and you are not very aware of creams and everything. If you just go and buy this particular body lotion and start using it, you are going to damage your skin. You are going to have skin irritations like green veins, stretch marks, and all of those things. But is it going to lighten your skin? 100%. This is that product, or this is that brand that delivers. It does exactly what it says. It lightens your skin. Okay, so please, if you are watching this video, do not go and buy this body lotion or any of these products and use it topically on your skin. This particular product is mostly used for pro mixing. Peau Jaune product is mostly used for pro mixing. Okay, and that is because it needs to be pro mixed, so you are going to add in some other things inside of it to help your skin to be able to tolerate the multitude of active ingredients contained in these particular lotions, in the concentrate or in the body oil. So even if you are watching this video and you want to get their body oil or you want to get their double concentrate, those are not products you are going to get and just carry it and start applying on your skin. Please and please, you need to get the right measurement to pro mix these things to actually get a very good result. So that is what I have to say about this particular lotion. It is not a lotion you apply topically on the skin, any of their products, okay, because it is going to thin out your skin and it is going to give you skin damage over time of usage. Now, over to, okay, this particular brand is a product of the Cameroon, okay, so that's why it has a French name and French, most of the things written on it are written in French, although still translated in English. It is made in Cameroon. And also, if you want to get this particular brand, make sure you are getting the original one. There is no really particular way of knowing which one is original and which one is fake, okay? But because this brand has been in the market for years, for like 3-4 years now, Peau Jaune has been in the market. So make sure if you are buying it, okay, you look for someone inside the market that is very popular, like it's very known for selling original things, and go there and buy it. If not, you are likely to be getting the fake one, because a lot of pro mixers use it. A lot of people selling bleaching organic creams, these are products they use to pro mix the organic creams they sell to a lot of people. So this particular brand is very popular in our Nigerian, Cameroon and Ghana, local market. Okay, so open your eyes when you want to buy any of their products. Okay, now the recipe for pro mixing. Now this recipe I'm about to give you for pro mixing is the recipe that is going to give you a yellow undertone and not a white undertone. Okay, so now you are going to need the Peau Jaune body lotion. Remember I said it comes in two. It has the fruit extract and it has the banana extract. You are going to be getting the fruit extract, and it has 300 ml and it has 500 ml. So you are going to be using the 300 ml for this pro mixing. Okay, so you are going to get the Peau Jaune Lightening body lotion, the fruit extract 300 ml, one bottle. Okay, then we are going to be getting the double concentrate intense whitening, the fruit extract stage 1. Stage 1, not stage 2. Stage 1 is the one that will give you a yellow undertone, and stage 2 is the one that is going to give you a white undertone. Okay, please, if you want to go and do the white undertone, please let me know in the comment section so I can guide you better. Okay, but this formula is for yellow undertone. So you're going to get the stage 1 of the fruit acid double concentration serum. Okay, then you are going to need Peau Jaune body oil. The oil, it has an oil. You are going to get the oil. Okay, it's 30 ml. You are going to get one bottle of it. One Ole bath tube, half Miracle Dem tube. You are going to use half of the Miracle Dem. Ole bath is 1, Miracle Dem is half. Then you're going to get this Skin Doctor anti-stretch mark ampoules. Okay, you are going to be using 3 of it. You're going to get 3 of these. Okay, then you are going to get your vitamin E oil, pure vitamin E oil, please. You are going to use 20 ml of your pure vitamin E oil. Please, original vitamin E oil, not the vitamin E oil they sell in all this, like the ones they've measured. No, pure vitamin E oil. All right. Then the last oil you are going to need is your almond oil. Okay, your sweet almond oil, 20 ml of it. So you are going to mix all these things together, mix it thoroughly. Okay, mix everything thoroughly, and this is going to give you a yellow undertone. The reason why you are mixing all of this is so it is not going to react on your skin. It is not going to give you stretch marks, and it is not going to give you green veins. It is not going to thin out your skin. Just like I said earlier on, if you just go and carry this body lotion and apply it on your skin, it is going to scatter your skin. So this is how to pro mix it to get a very good result. Now, even though you have pro mixed this particular thing like this is still not a body lotion you are going to use forever. Okay, I advise you use this for 3 to 4 weeks. If you use it from 2 weeks, you're already seeing results on your skin. Okay, so from 4 weeks, which is 1 month, 5 weeks, 1 month, 1 week, you are beginning to fare or beginning to get the tone you want. please you reduce usage. Is either you stop it totally and get another safer routine that is going to help you to maintain the results you have gotten and still keep it standby. Maybe you can now be using it like 2 times a week in your routine or 3 times a week in your routine. But after usage of 1 month, please still stop or reduce usage for the sake of your skin. Okay, so this is if you must use this product, this is how to use it. All right. Now, while using the products you have pro-mix, okay, the soap you can use with it. Don't use it with the Peau Jaune soap. Okay, you can use Ashanti soap, any of the Ashanti soap. You can use Ashanti papaya and carrot soap. You can also use it with the Ashanti scrub. Okay, use this recipe together, and in a month to 2 months, you are going to love your skin complexion. But do not be carried away with the results you are getting to forget to discontinue the use. All right, now another way you can use this product, okay, this particular product, let's say the body lotion or the concentrate, is to use it on targeted areas of your body. So you can just get only the body lotion and use it on darker parts of your body. You can use it to treat dark knuckles. You can use it to target dark armpits, dark thighs, dark knees, and all of those things. Okay, that is for the body lotion. You can use the body lotion to treat issues like that. You can use the oil to treat issues like that. But please, the double concentrate intense whitening serum should never be put on the skin. No matter what you want to use it to do, it should never be put on the skin topically like that. It should be mixed inside something. Okay, just in case you choose to go for the serum, okay, that concentrated serum, please mix it with something before using it on targeted areas to treat any highly pigmented areas of your skin. While using this product, also be very aware of sun protection, because the only thing that is going to make you not to like the results you are going to see afterwards is the sun. Okay, because one thing with using all these type of products is later on, with a lot of sun exposure and all of that, you will notice that your skin is turning red. You are fair, but you are now this reddish fair. It's not a you are not Your skin is not now giving that healthy yellow vibe. Okay, so please make sure you're using your sunscreen or you're wearing covered clothes anytime you're stepping out to the sun. And this is everything I have to say about this Peau Jaune body lotion, whitening lotion, and all of those things. So happiness, I hope I answered your questions, and I hope I touched all the areas you wanted me to touch. So thank you for joining me on today's only. If you have any questions, if you have any products you want me to explain like this, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely do that for you. So I'll see you on our next one. If you have not liked this video, please like it now before you click out. Okay,